Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiana. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a clay mask. I'm using it's the Indian Healing Clay, the Benadine Indian Healing Clay, and it looks like that. And it says, feel your face pulsate. So it can be used for facials, acne, body wraps, clay baths, foot soaks, chill clay for knee packs, whatever that is, insect bites. Says enjoy the benefit of the clay in your home. It purifies and detox. So we're gonna try it out. It says to mix it with raw apple cider vinegar, and I have some apple cider vinegar here and water. So it says to use a non-metal bowl, and I have a bowl non-metal, and something non-metal to stir it with. I have a metal spoon, so I'm gonna have to replace the spoon for a plastic one. So I have all the ingredients. I'm gonna mix it up and I'm gonna apply it on my face for 5 to 10 minutes. It says 5 to 10 minutes for delicate skin and 15 to 20 minutes for normal skin. I've never tried this mask before, so I'm just gonna try 5 to 10 minutes for the first time. My face might look dry because I already washed it with some soap and water, and I didn't put anything on it, so it might look a little dry, but here goes nothing. Here's my bowl, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit of the clay powder. I think that's good. Then I'll add a little bit of the apple cider vinegar and a little bit of the water. I'm gonna stir it up. So after stirring, this is what it looks like, and I'm just gonna apply it on my face now with my hands. I've mixed up my clay. I'm kind of nervous. This is my first time using this mask. I already have like some whiteheads trying to come up off my face. It smells it smells funny. I don't know how to describe the smell. It smells like puke. Yeah, it smells like throw up. Little goes a long way with this because I still have a good amount of clay left, and my face is almost finished. So you don't need a lot of powder at all. Okay, so I set my timer on my phone for 10 minutes. And I don't care if it dries all the way in 10 minutes. I'm only leaving it on for 10 minutes. So we'll see what happens. This mask is tingling. I'm feeling some tingling sensations around my mouth. Romans chapter 1 verse 16. For I am not ashamed of the gospel of Christ. Amen. I want to be bold for Christ. I don't want to be ashamed. And also Romans chapter 1 verse 20. For since the creation of the world, his invisible attributes are clearly seen, being understood by the things that are made. That passage to me says that you can see God in all the things that he has made. You can see God in the trees and the flowers and the little bees that buzz around. So you can see God in just the little minute things. When you see airplanes flying across the sky, you could just see God in just all the little things in the world, because he is our creator, and without him we create nothing. Everything we have is because of God. Romans chapter 1 verse 22, professing to be wise, they became fools. I highlighted that. That's so true. A lot of people claim to be so wise, and they claim to be so wise that they don't let anything else in. So it's hard for them to learn because they are so prideful, and they become fools like that. You have to be humble in order to be wise, because in your humbleness is when you're able to learn. You're able to accept what you don't know, and accept that you don't know everything, and there is things you can learn. So professing to be wise, they became fools. This mask is itching. It's feeling tight. I don't feel any pulsating. It just feels itchy right around here and around my mouth, and it's starting to feel tight, and it's starting to dry some. I'm gonna wash it off. Okay, so I washed the clay off my face, and I dried my face with a paper towel, and I'm just moisturizing my lips. And this is what my face looks like. It's dry because I didn't moisturize it. It feels soft, and I guess I should expect the impurities in my face to start coming out. I'm just gonna moisturize my face with Clean and Clear moisturizer because it's very light, and I don't feel like putting anything heavy on my face. I'm just gonna put something light so that when these impurities are drawing out my face, there's nothing too heavy on my face stopping it. So it feels really soft. So that's it for my clay mask video. I'll keep you guys updated on what happens. It's my first time using it, so we'll all see what happens together. Thank you guys for tuning into my video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Have a blessed day.